We'll guide you through how to share a post on your Instagram story. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you wish to share and add a post onto your Instagram story, perhaps you find it funny, educational, or informative, and so you want to go and add it onto your story, and your followers will then be able to go and see it. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. So for example, perhaps you went and saw something like an event happening, or it's for your band or something, and so you want to go and add it onto your story. Or perhaps you just went and recently did an Instagram post and you want to go and put that onto your story. It's a great way of showing people that you've gone and posted something. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and find the post you want to go and add and share. So this could be one of your own. It's the same process, whether it's your own or somebody else's. So you can go onto the homepage or go and search for somebody's account who you want to do it with. So in this case, I'll go and do it with this one here, for example. Then what you need to do is go just beneath the post. Over to the left, you've got the like button, the comment button, the repost button, and the share button. Press the share button and you'll get this pop up. And then what you can do is go and find the option add to story. Tap there and we're now adding it. So you can go and adjust the post by tapping it, and you can go and drag it as well and change the look of it. You can then use the tools over to the right. I can add text if I wanted to, like hey. And then what you can do is go and position that where you want to. And then when you're ready, you can press your story in the bottom left and it'll be posted.